Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hope you all are doing good. Today you are going to learn about the difference between hyphen and dash. Dash and hyphen are two punctuation marks that take the form of a small horizontal line. So many people do not bother to pay attention to their correct usage. However, it is very important to understand the difference between dash and hyphen if you want to use the language correctly. The main difference between the two punctuation mark is the dash indicates an interruption, a pause, or an afterthought, or you can say second thought, while hyphen joins two or more words. Let's look at each more closely. Hyphen, a mark of punctuation that join words or word parts together. Here are a few examples: non-violent, half-backed, 27, cooperate. They all are compound words. When two different words joined through hyphen, and giving us a single concept and a single meaning, they are called compound words. So hyphen is a source to join two or more words together and giving us a single concept or a single meaning. The second usage is numbers written or typed from 21 to 99. As you all know that in mathematics, when we write numbers in words or in spellings, we put hyphen between those words. So 21, 22, 23, they all are joined through hyphens. The third usage is connection. If an entire word cannot fit on a single line, a hyphen is used. Here is an example. My English teacher took prints of my hands on the paper. Now you can see that hand is a word that cannot fit on a single line. So we put half letters on this line and half letters on the other line. So hyphen is the source to join this word when it cannot fit on a single line. It is also used in newspapers or written work. The fourth usage is compound modifiers, words that are joined together to describe the noun that follows. Always remember that compound modifiers are usually only hyphenated when they come before the noun they describe. Here is an example: kid-friendly restaurant, fashion-forward magazine. Now magazine and restaurant both are noun, and kid-friendly and fashion-forward are compound modifiers. They define restaurant or magazine. So restaurant is kid-friendly. Kid-friendly is a compound modifier that is describing restaurant. The fifth is describing restaurant. The fifth usage is compound nouns. I have already told you when two or more words that have been combined to be understood as one concept, one mean, and giving us a single meaning. Here is an example: 6-year-old daughter-in-law. Now these three words are joining through hyphens and giving us a single meaning, a single concept, and they are called compound nouns. Always remember that a hyphen's job is to join words together, which means when they typed, there should never be a space on either side. How? Now when you put hyphen between these words, there should never be a space on either side. After 6, before year, after year, before old, there is no space. The sixth usage is prefixes. It is placed at the beginning of a word to modify or changes its meaning. Now here is an example: pre-Christmas, pre-birthday. When we separate these words pre and Christmas, they are individual words, but when we join them through hyphen, it is giving us a single meaning, a single concept. Pre-Christmas, Christmas से पहले. Pre-birthday, birthday से पहले. Suffixes. It is placed at the end of a word to modify or change the meaning. Hyphen is also used with suffixes when we put when we joined these words through hyphen.